occasion of grade 6. I am going to give a speech about Safer Internet Day. This year marks the 19th edition of Safer Internet Day, with actions taking place right across the globe dated on 8th February 2021. The day is being celebrated in around 15 countries across the world today. Safer Internet Day is observed every year on the second day of the second week of February with an aim to provide safer and better internet, where every user gets to use the internet responsibly and without getting their data leaked. This year the theme is Together for a Better Internet. Safer Internet Day helps us to remind that internet security is something that demands constant vigilance. It also reminds us that a lot of bad things can happen on the internet if we do not take appropriate precautions. Tips to stay safe online. Pick strong passwords. Do not browse on public Wi-Fi. Do not fall for email scams. Guard your personal information. Report scammers. Use a VPN. Thanks and great day.